Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to change the group name on WhatsApp. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So by default, any group participant can change the group subject, icon, description, or send messages. However, a group admin can change group settings to allow only admins to edit group info. To change the group info, first thing you're gonna do is open the WhatsApp. Then tap the group chat and tap the group subject. Alternatively, if you go back, you can hold the group chat tab and press the three dots on the upper right corner and press the group info. You can tap the three dots on the upper right corner and you can change the subject. Now you can edit the subject and press OK. You can also change the profile photo if you want. Press the edit button and you can choose from camera, gallery, and emoji and stickers. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!